I think that the government, there are many things the government can do. To begin, the government should promote marriage and family as the basic share of society, and everything that is related to that, whether it is through the tax system, through pensions, through maternity benefits, through possibility of going back to work. But then also the government needs to enact legislation that is family friendly, rather than putting hurdles or hassles for a family to either have more children, or for a family, if the woman in the house wants to either go back to the job force or stay at home, to make it feasible and possible for her.
And I think, quite a lot of women like myself have been lucky enough to have education and to gain some self-esteem from work and things, have been able to say to our men, well, like it or lump it, this is us together. And in fact, for men too, I think it's quite enjoyable to be involved in that. So I think, in those sort of areas, it's definitely been a good thing. It's brought people closer together, it's made more partnership.
It means fantastically strongly to me because my mother was a patently a brilliant homemaker, but she didn't do it by herself. I mean, my parents were very loving and lovely couple, and my father was assiduous in helping my mother with homemaking. But what it means to me is the most beautiful arrangement on the table at Easter, for instance. Some wonderful moss with eggs and that to me it's like magic. You come down in the morning and there's this sort of magic for breakfast. That's homemaking. Homemaking is making the everyday special.